All right, guys, we saw some really cool stuff from Microsoft today. I'm talking about a brand new Surface Pro 6, a brand new Surface Laptop 2, a brand new Surface Studio 2, and a brand new pair of Surface headphones. So let's go in and check out what we have from Microsoft this year. So starting off, guys, we have the brand new Surface Pro 6 in matte black. This thing looks super slick. Like Danny would say, pure fire, and he's recording this video right now. I gotta say, this thing looks dope. The display looks much brighter, much sharper. The matte black all around looks like it just looks premium. It looks, I mean, the Surface is always premium, but this thing looks really nice. It's got a really great finish. So when you're walking around with this, using it in a coffee shop, people will go, "What is that?" Now, in terms of the processor, you've got a quad-core processor, not a dual-core, quad-core processor, 8th generation from Intel in this bad boy here. So that's also pretty nice as well. And you get also up to a terabyte of storage as well on this thing. So pretty cool. Pricing starts at $899 for the Core i5 and will be available October 16th. So stay tuned. Now the Surface Laptop 2. Oh my God, this thing looks absolutely gorgeous with its matte back look. Very nice and clean finish all around. You can see how well that just the edges look. I mean, seriously, again, fire ×2 on this bad boy. This thing is dope. It is fresh. Screen is great. You've also got the quad-core processor in there. And if you're looking to upgrade, this might be the one to pick up. Now, both devices have a USB port. They have, of course, the Surface charging port. There is no USB Type-C or Thunderbolt, so that is a bit sad on this. But hopefully, Microsoft gets on that chain soon on the top-tier Surface lines. Now, the Surface Studio 2 has gotten a big bump this year. This year, they're going with, of course, brand new GPU installations in there. You get either a 1060 or 1070 Pascal GPU, more performance. You've got 2 terabytes of SSDs, no more hybrid storage there. So basically, while you're doing your editing, your rendering, or you're just basically sketching on this bad boy, you've got a lot of performance. And granted, I can't draw, I can't do any of that, but it still looks absolutely amazing. The screen looks gorgeous. I mean, the DCI-P3 looks absolutely amazing. It is sharp, it is vibrant. You've got, of course, the pen input with the 4096 input touch points, which makes it just super accurate and great for anyone who has the artistic skill sets to actually write things down. Now, finally, they have the Surface headphones. These things have some really cool features in there. You've got Cortana built in there for your voice assistance in terms of course, AI functionality. Then you've got 13 levels of noise cancellation features, which is actually pretty cool. Got to test them out. Sounded quite interesting. We'll have to see how it is with the final product. And as well, of course, you've also got some really nice 40mm drivers to drive your audio there. So we'll see how it all comes out. No pricing yet, but will be available for the holidays. So that's it from Microsoft. We've got brand new Surfaces, a brand new Surface headphone, some really cool stuff, all in matte black, because black is where it's at. Thunder E saying thank you very much. Any questions, any comments, leave them down below, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment. Fire.